Alright guys, so we're gonna tint this construction van, basically the back windows. Now back windows needs shrinking, so let's start with that. We grab some of this fabric softener and we put it on the sponge or whatever. Put it some little bit over. Just rub it in. This one is better than Johnson's because the film doesn't stick at all. Less tacky, more easy to kinda shrink. It smells lovely. So we're gonna measure it up. So about 60 and 60 more or less, like a little square, you know. So we're gonna put that out right now. So we grab 60 roughly here and 60 here. Keep our finger on the thing. Just slice it down. There we go. So we're gonna grab ourselves the wet sponge basically, that we're gonna put it on middle to tack it down basically, so it holds up. So it's kind of wet. So put it in the middle. Now, let's see if we can get it tacked down. Yes, we can. So here you go. We're gonna make ourselves the usual H pattern. I actually didn't, I didn't dry it out fully, but it doesn't really matter. There we have it, H pattern. Cut off the film around the glass. Put it towards the glass, not to the car. There you go. I'm gonna now shrink the film. See if it's moving around. It is. If you dry it out more, it's gonna move around better. You can see. So we're gonna shrink it down and to the top basically. So make sure that you get your film in the right position because it won't shrink otherwise. It shrinks top to bottom only. This is our film and you can see how well it shrinks. The only one mistake I did was here. I put the film other way around and the liner was other way. So I had to switch over the film. But that's not a very big deal when the window is square, more or less. You crank up the heat to get it done quicker. You can see it shrinks crazy good, like. Yeah. Bottom is done. Let's do the top. So here we have it. Now we're gonna put the light behind and we're gonna cut to shape. So you can put your hands so remove the reflection where it's coming from and we're gonna cut it all around. The only problem is with these meta glasses I can barely see because they dim in the light. Okay, from the top to the bottom. All right. Hard to see for me, but I kinda see. All right, so I'm gonna cut it all out and we're gonna apply it. So we have it cut to shape now. It's coming off a little bit, you know, but that's fine because we shrank it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start cleaning the inside. I did first clean up because you would be bored watching. We cleaned it out because it was glue and this little construction dust, everything, so on and so forth. So let's clean one more time. I show you how, and we're gonna apply the film. So we spray it down with Johnson's and water mix. You can watch my other video. I show how much you need to mix basically. Spray down. Go over it again. This is a plastic razor blade, so don't use normal razor blade. You're gonna take off the defroster lines. Let's go over. I already done it, so don't really need to do it again, but I'm just showing. So then we grab ourselves this type of squeegee, spray down, and let's take it all away, the water with the dirt, basically all the dust is on it. So boom, you can clean it like that. There you go. There you have it. So now the window is clean. Now I need to pump it up a little bit better. Spray down. and let's apply the film. So I'm just gonna tag it down a little bit. I did clean the window from outside as well. So we're gonna peel from the bottom. You can do it from the top if you wish. Just can't reach properly. So. Spray down. Grab it at the bottom. Try to avoid holding the film too long out in the open. Lay it down, check for no white gaps. Down there, down there. Looks promising, looks good. No issues here. Spray it down. First time when you go over the film so it doesn't move as much as you would do with a rubber, this type of rubber squeegee. You go with this wrapping card. Go over. Boom. So you see it doesn't really move, it stays intact. I'm just gonna squeegee out the water. Is that? No, it's from outside. We might get a few fingers on the bottom. Doesn't really matter because we're gonna overheat them. So now it's tagged down, spray down, and we're gonna go over with the proper squeegee. Get that water out basically. This edge wasn't squeegeed out that strong. Boom, boom, boom. So this is when you're a beginner, start with these type of windows because that's the easiest to do. And we're gonna over shrink these bottom fingers. So we'll grab ourselves the heat gun. I'm gonna heat it up. Okay. Let's clean it off and see how it looks. So we've sprayed this bad boy. I'm not gonna say it out loud, but you can read it. It's like it's like Windex in US basically. So clean it from inside. Boom, 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 boom. And the same story from outside. We're removing basically that layer. So if you notice, we have these stickers in Spain, we have to put them on. It's like a certificate basically for the window film. So yeah, now I'm just gonna clean off, see if all good. Fabric softener doesn't want to come off that easy as Johnson's. Just spray it again. Our special boy there. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, as you can see, perfectly tinted window. These are the windows you should go for at the very start when you're starting to tint, because these are easiest to do, and you know it's gonna be more easier for you and to not give up if you're gonna do something like that, or you know whatever down there. You know it's or start with hatchbacks, at least hatchbacks. If you can get bands, get the hatchbacks. Yeah, perfect. As I can see, everything turned out just perfect.